Realme recently unveiled the Realme 15T as the third member of the Realme 15 series, and now it is gearing up to add a new model. As per the official page on Realme India's website, the Realme 15X 5G is all set to go official on October 1st. The Realme 15X 5G features a punch-hole screen, and its rear camera island houses a ring LED flash. The official listing confirms that the device will be equipped with a 7000 mAh battery with 60W fast charging. The Realme 15X 5G will have a 50-megapixel front-facing camera, and its rear camera setup will include a 50-megapixel primary camera. It will feature a 144Hz display with a peak brightness of 1200 nits. The Realme 15X 5G will be powered by a 6nm octa-core chip. The device will come with a military-grade shock-resistant chassis and will also carry an IP68/69 rating. The 15X 5G could be priced below 15,000 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.